What it do, C fam? It's your boy C. Well, we back at it with another fire video, man. Look, in today's video, y'all, we headed down to Cars and Coffee. All right, they trying to have a Cars and Coffee, y'all, every single month now. All right, so I'm gonna just show y'all all the nice cars that they have, man. Hawaii got some heat. Hawaii got a lot of talent out here, man. It ain't gonna be like Texas. It ain't gonna be like California, maybe, you know what I mean, with trucks. And well, they got big trucks, but it ain't gonna be like that with cars on 28s or 30s, 32, 34, 36s. It's not like that, y'all. It's more of a nice type, you know, older people sometimes, young folk with their nice cars, right? So stay tuned for the video, man. Y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. Let's get to it. All right, C fam, so we out here, man. When I tell y'all the cars are crazy out here, the cars are insane, bro. Of course you got my car out here, man. You got the damn Mustang out here, bro, going crazy. Jesus Christ, look at this, Type R. We got a GT350. That's a snack. Oh, that's a snack. Come on, man. Shelby. This thing is insane, bro. All kind of old schools. Old school. Got a Bullet GT. Oh my God. The Shelby 500. Good God. Take a little walk around this thing, y'all. Jesus Christ. So honestly, y'all, it was really between the GT 500 and my car, y'all, and I obviously went back to Mopar, of course, man. You know what I gotta do. Shee. But yeah, definitely, man. Mustangs came out here representing today. Y'all see the Mustangs over there too. Came out here representing, man, for sure. So yes, sir. Hope y'all enjoy, man. Just wanted to give y'all a little Hawaii car scene. You know, I don't really see these cars often. I only see them maybe on the weekend, if that. All right, y'all. So, you know, y'all see the scenery out here. Y'all see the scenery, man. Look beautiful back there. Jeez, look at this one.
We special ordered it because I knew there just weren't that many.
Good God. Mighty, look at this one, y'all. Manual. It's a GT350, man. 350. What's up, man? I like the racing stripes. Gee. Yeah, like I said, y'all, Mustangs out here deep, man. Going crazy. You good? Another 5.0, man. Yurt. Got everything out here, though. Let's go look at the damn Corvettes, bro. Look at the Corvettes. Jesus Christ. Shee. Look at this thing, boy. Going crazy. Going crazy, man. Oh my God. Damn. What's up, brother? Oh yeah, we got the ZL1. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I miss my ZL1 from time to time, man. If I didn't have my daughter, I probably would have kept the ZL1. But, you know, I need that backseat type access, man. Easy backseat, bro. You know, so moving on, bro. Light snack GT. You know, we got the E55 AMG thing, man. These things right here clean. Got the sunroof up. You know what time it is, man. Easy work. Easy work. Old thing. Carbon fiber front splitter. Got my boy the Cree. Got this thing, man. Shee. Got this, what look like an Infinity with the wheels on there, wrap. Good God. I'm my boy Q, man. Matte black wrap, the stripes. Shee. This bit goes stupid, magnoopy. Y'all see that thing, man. Like I said, bro, the scenery out here is crazy, y'all. Scenery out here goes stupid, man. Then we got a red eye. Oh my God. Y'all see it, man. No cap in my wrap. Yes, sir. This bit goes stupid too. I love seeing red eyes. You know, that mean people actually driving their cars, bro. That's what I like. I like seeing that, bro. 100%, man. 100%, bro. Shee. Yeah, they got a whole lot of nice stuff, man. Like, I tried to get it all in the damn B-roll and everything, right? Try to get everything in the B-roll, man. For sure, for sure. These things go stupid, though, boy. I'm telling you. Sheesh, so we got the AMG
Caught him napping.
Mercedes truck, man. So y'all, if y'all don't know, we do have one just like this, y'all. It's not really on the channel. I don't put it on the channel too much, but we do have one just like this. It's a silver one, but this black one is clean though, man. Sheesh. Oh yeah. Whole bunch of whips out here, man. Damn. Look at this AMG right here, boy. Going stupid. Good God.
Alright, we're gonna keep on going.
They giving away prizes and stuff right now, y'all, but yeah. Look at this, boy. Lamb talk.
Alrighty. 4, 4, 4, 6.
Corvette,
4, 4,
Corvette.
6.
Corvette. Where the Corvettes out here deep, y'all. I'm telling you. Corvettes in Hawaii go stupid. Stupid, magnupid, crazy. It's GTO.
4, 4, 4, 6. Going once.
Excuse me.
Twice.
Sheesh.
3 times. So, redrawing.
Look at this one. Good God, SRT8. God damn. Yes, sir. We whipped out, man. Whipped out in Hawaii. You ain't gonna see no big car on no 32s. Nothing crazy like that, y'all, but
5, 6, and we got a winner chicken dinner.
they out here giving prizes and stuff. The engine build on this thing, man. She got a ZR1 going stupid. She the wheels on this thing. Damn.
All right.
Look at this, boy.
Now,
Good God.
we've got another giveaway. The
Damn.
great people at Green Tea Hawaii
Beautiful scenery today,
have
man.
stepped up to sponsor, to give away. What again?
Shelby. Ooh. Damn.
One of their food.
Jeez, this thing say carbon 65. Sheesh. Carbon fiber on the side skirts, man. What's going on? God almighty. Good whips out here, man. Official pace car, Indianapolis 500 98. Jeez, good little manual, man. Going crazy. Z06 LT4 supercharger, man. Going crazy. Jesus Christ. Good old school, man.
Thank you so much for participating.
Done all the way right, too.
Hawaii event.
Bro got his car on top of his car. Cheese.
For allowing us
Jesus
to take up all
Christ.
their parking.
C8.
Mexico, Hawaii.
C8.
Thank you very much.
C8 on top of C8. Goodness, huh? She. Corvette. Another C8, man. Y'all see that other red one up here? God, I wouldn't even get a C8, y'all, until they come out with the C8 Z06. All right, I don't want to get a base Stingray. I don't want to get a base, you know. Look at this trunk in the front, man. Trunk in the front, baby. She. we back to the crib, man. I hope y'all really enjoyed all those cars, baby. I'm just trying to get out, man, see some cars, show y'all what Hawaii has to offer, man, as far as the cars and everything, bro. Y'all new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, man. Look at the whip, bro. That bit look good, bro. But yeah, I'll holler at y'all, baby.